Okay, this is New York Times Hard Sudoku puzzle for April 9. So let's see here. So in this row, this cannot be 6 or 7, right? And this cannot be 6 or 7. So we know this is 6, 7, 6, 7. Now 5 cannot be here, so this is 5. So 5s can only be in 2 cells here. Now the remaining digit here is, well, 3 can only be here. Okay, and then we need the 1 in this row, and then this gotta be 1. So 1s are also like this. So the other digits we have left here, well, so 4 is vertical. So 4 is vertical. 2 is unknown, 9 is in 3 cells, right? Okay. Just to check, this cell can be 2. It can be 5, right? It can be 9 as well. There's too many options. Okay. Do we see something? We know 8s are only 2 cells here. I was checking to see if we know something more about 8. Okay, so 8, 5 is the same, so this cell is 1. Doesn't really give us that much, but it does give us 2 is flat. 9 is flat, so this cell has to be 9. 9. 9 is in 2 cells. It is in 3 cells, we don't know. Okay, what is the 2 digits that are missing here? So 2727, is this right? I think so, 2727. So 6 is only in 2 cells like this, and 6 over here can only be here. No, sorry. 6 is in 2 cells. We already have a 6 here. Don't need any more 6s. Yeah, so we don't really know. I guess we do know this cell is 8. 6. So 8 is unfortunately just flat here. If this cell is 6, it doesn't immediately, but we know this has to be 5, and this is 9. So that helps a little. And now we know we need a 2, right? Again. But it can only be here. This is 4. So 2 is like this. 4 can only be here. 4 can only be here. 4 can only be here. So 4s are like this. Okay. Sixes are also like this. Right? So the 6, 8, 6, 8. Now we know 1 is flat, so 1 can only be like this. We need a 3 here, which is here actually. Just like 1. No room for 4. This is 4. 2, 4. Okay, this is the last digit in this row, which is, what is this? 2. So we have 9, 2. Okay, can this be 6 or 7? Yeah, I think so. I think that's okay. Then we need a 5 here, and a 5 and a 7, right? 5, 7, 5, 7 like this. So that means 5 actually can only be here. This is 1, this is 2. So what do we know about 2? 2 can only be in 2 cells, occupy these rows, so only this can be 2. I want to enter the other digits here because 6 is in 2 cells, right? So 6's occupy these columns. 7 here we don't really know. 8. 8, I'm not so sure about either. But 6 and 8 cannot be in the cell, so yeah, this cannot be 7. This has to be 7. So this is 6, this is 7, this is 6. Okay, this is the last digit in this box, which is 9, right? Okay, so now we know this is 9. This is 9. This cannot be 1, so it's 3, 1, 3. 1, 7, 2, 7, 2. Okay, well, in this row, this has to be 1. And then this has to be 6. This is 8. This is 7. In this column, this has to be 8. Okay. Okay. So it's just, at this point, just self-explanatory.